Hello, my name is Duncan Wingard, and I am currently a student at Thiel College, taking a course entitled Integrated Instructional Systems. I will be teaching a standards-based lesson in mathematics based on the PA academic standards and integrating technology into my lesson. I hope you enjoy this sample video of my teaching. Morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Wingard.
Okay, as you can see, I have a phrase that we always use for our anticipatory setup, and we're going to think, pair, share like we did yesterday. So, Jess, can you move back to this table? And then everybody pick a partner. I will read it. Think to yourself for 15 to 20 seconds, pair up, and then we're going to share it. The question is, if we are given information from a survey, how can we represent it in a more organized manner?
We said graphs and a pie chart.
Pie chart. So a more specific type of graph.
We said bar graphs.
Bar graph. So we have 9 for fruits, 4 for veggies. Okay, so if everybody can get out their math journals for me. I'm going to pass out your letters, and you're going to unscramble your letters for the word of the day. Take 30 seconds, and then once you have it, you can raise your hand. Okay, the first thing that we need on our bar graph are 2 axes. Does anybody know what those might look like? Brian?
It's like an L shape.
An L shape?
It's backwards.
A backwards L. Sort of like this? Is that what you were meaning?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, we need 3 titles. Can anybody give me one of the titles? Kayla.
The x-axis,
And what would we label that as?
x.
Like, what would our title of that, of the x-axis be?
It's a veggie.
Very good. Okay, does everybody have that down in their math journal? Okay. Is there any questions before we move on? Okay, I need everybody to circle around the front table. We're going to go over centers. Graphing paper, a baggie of M&Ms, and what should we not do with these M&Ms?
Eat them.
Eat them until after Mr. Wingard tells you you can. And a box of crayons. Okay, how many do you have so that we make sure we stay under 20?
Seven.
We need 13 more.
Start creating the,
You're doing a great job.
Kate, you have to start creating.
Okay, so I see that we have 5 people that like to jump in piles of leaves. So how would we do that? How would we make the bar for the yes column?
Go up to the 5.
5.
Make a line. And draw your lines down.
Straight down, correct. I like that you guys have 3 titles just like we do on the board. Okay. For the no, Alan, can you explain how we would find 2?
We have 2 on here, so we go to the number 2, draw a line, and then go down.
And if we look on our, we already made a bar graph and you guys didn't even realize this. You can make one right here on the paper. It's very similar. Great job, guys. Okay, everybody, we did pluses, minuses, and interesting ideas last week. We're going to do that again about the bar graphs so that I can take a little assessment of myself on how everybody did today. So once you have completed this, you can turn it in and get your reading books out. read silently to yourself.